He's wearing the cap. See, that's our tradition.
Authentic.
What's up, everyone? This is your boy Alex, and welcome back to my channel. This is vlog number 14. Good morning, everyone. Today's day we are going to start off with freshening up a little bit and then go for a run and then probably work out a little bit. So yeah, I'm getting into working out, so let's go. All right, so let's head out for some running now. Let's go. This man has come to work out in a jeans pant. Nice. He's disappointed me. So, but still, since he's here, we are going to give him some task, that is just stand there and watch me get inspired.
Yeah.
Okay, my only company for today. Yo, stunt. Done with my run now. Let's do a little bit of workout since it's just starting. So let's not go fully intense. Instead, just focus on being consistent. Done with my running and workout, so now I'm gonna go head home, rest for a while, and then probably I will see you guys. So I just got home. I'm gonna go freshen up a little bit and then rest. Probably if there's breakfast, eat breakfast. We are going fishing today. Okay, so let's see how many fish we catch. Are we really going to get some fishes?
We don't know.
Okay, it depends on luck or skills. Intermediate level skills.
No level skills.
No skills.
Check out my cap, guys.
Okay guys, so check out my fit. I hope all of you like it. So you guys should be wondering what this is. So this is called as Dhaka topi, and it's like a traditional cap from Nepal. So what is it about this cap?
So basically, the meaning of Dhaka is the pattern which is here.
Okay.
This? Yeah. That patterns is especially called as Dhaka. And the topi means, in Nepali language, topi means cap. You know, the cap which has Dhaka types of pattern.
Okay.
Basically, that all means.
So I think the design is called as Dhaka, and topi means again cap, so Dhaka topi. This is the sign for me to shift to Nepal. Let me know down in the comments, how do I look, guys?
Grandfather also.
When he's wearing the cap, see, that's our tradition.
Authentic Nepal.
So I've seen only older generation of Nepal wearing this. I haven't seen the younger generation. Younger generation is all about stylish clothes.
So it's our responsibility to.
Not stylish, but it's okay.
It's our responsibility to
keep the tradition alive.
Yeah.
The place where we live is Phulwari, the entire city or district, you can say. So every village is segregated with alphabets. So that's the most interesting part about this village. So there's a place called as A Gaon, and then there's a place called as B Gaon, C Gaon, B Gaon, and the place we are going now is J Gaon, and it goes up till K Gaon, I think. K Gaon?
Yeah.
So it goes up till K Gaon, and the place where I live is Phulwari town. So that's a different area itself. I think it's a layout kind of an area. So they decided to name it town.
There is a place where so many years ago there are only 22 houses,
Okay.
especially live there 22 houses,
Okay.
and this area, particularly this area, here was 25 houses at that time of
Okay.
period, you know.
So that's why it's called
After the-
Pachis Ghar. Okay.
By the
Original Phulwari was originally Pachis Ghar and Bais Ghar.
yeah.
So Pachis Ghar is where I usually go to buy vegetables, and where we went to get haircut, and where we went to get chow mein. So that area is Pachis Ghar because it had only 25 houses. And then there is one more area which is called as Bais Ghar, which had only 22 houses. So those were mainly the main areas of Phulwari. History about my hometown, guys. Look at this beautiful place.
But the most interesting part
Look at this, look at this, look at this, and look at this beautiful man. And look at this handsome boy.
But the interesting part here comes, you know. Before that time, I said there was 22 houses at some place there. By the time those houses become less and less, and they goes out from there, you know, and there is no house right now.
In Bais Gaon?
Yeah,
Bais Ghar.
you know.
Oh, so Bais Ghar has no ghar.
Why that happens? Because
Huh.
that is near to the river,
Oh.
and river comes near to those peoples, you know,
Oh,
and they by the time they goes to the like क्या भन्नु भन्दाखेरि निका ठाउँ गए.
nice place.
Yeah, nice place.
Better
They
place,
goes,
better place,
better place from that.
Okay. Basically, Bais Ghar used to be a place near the river. So initially what happened why the entire village got empty is because the flood, right? When it floods, it took down the entire area and people chose to move to a better place. त्यही त हो भने
Exaggerate गरेर नभन्नु न.
content. Okay, but yeah.
चलेगा हमारे viewers को हैन.
But what he told was that I just exaggerated. Flood, river ज्यादा बढ्यो भने क्या भन्नु भयो?
रिभर नजिक थियो
हाँ.
हैन, अनि नदीले लियो नै कि 10 घन्टा वरै हो,
हाँ.
तर नदी नजिक आउन लाग्यो, खेतहरू सब बगायो क्या उतातिरका.
त्यही त फ्लड बेसिकली फ्लड नै त हो.
फ्लड त फ्लडै हो कि, तर
I was
फ्लडले
right.
घर बगाएर कम भएन नि त.
Okay, people got scared and then they chose to move into a better place, right?
Yeah. And that
Content.
Bais Ghar is basically near to those to the jungle, and at that time there used
Bhalu.
to be bhalu and tiger, you know.
Tiger.
There tigers,
Sher Khan.
Sher Khan, Mowgli.
That's about the history of Phulwari,
साँपको नाम के है?
Nepal. Anaconda. Hello guys, this is my grandpa. Hi Bano. Hi. He's seen me as a child, like till from so much. Now he's seen me taller than him, right? Hey Bano.
क्या भन्नु त
Like, share, subscribe.
ठिकै छ
कमेडी भन्नुले हैन.
और गांधी जी को स्टोरी हो जो ना
या
गांधी जी ले क्या आ रही हो तो
ए अझ मान्छे म खोजन्न के भन्ने हाल यो भने
सी गाइस
यो कला
अच्छे
एम मुजाहिद बी वेंकटेश के कुमार
फ्रेंड्स
जी गोपाल डी धनुदाई
ओ माय गॉड कन्नಡ में
ಯುವ ಕಲಾ ಇವು ಕಲಾ
ಕಲಾ
ಅವಾಗ 4 ಕಾಣಿ ಒಂದು ಅಕ್ಷರಕ್ಕೆ
ನಾನು ಹಂಗೆ ಓಡಿಸಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಿಸಿರೋದಿದೆ ಇದು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿನಾ
1 ರೂಪಾಯಿ 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿ 12 ना 2 रुपया 2.5 रुपये
5 रुपया में काम खत्म
क्या
5 रुपीस टैटू
अहिले 5,000 मा
स्कीम छाड्याछ
स्कीम क्या स्कीम
ಹಳೆ ಕಾಸಿಗೆ
ಹಾ
ಹಳೆ ಕಾಸಿಗೆ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಗ
ಹಾ
ಕೆಲವು 2 ಪೈಸಾ 1 ಪೈಸಾ ಅರ್ಧ ಪೈಸಾ 3 ಪೈಸಾ 1 ಪೈಸಾ ಆಧಾ ಪೈಸಾ
ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ
3 ಪೈಸಾ
ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್
म त म जान्छ कि हैन
ये सब कहाँ लाग्छन् क्या
लाग्छ
These are his collections. 3 पैसा हुँदैले है 3 पैसा
3 पैसा
3 पैसा my god
ए 3 पैसा
all of this is 3 पैसा 2 पैसा यो 1 पैसा
20 पैसा
20 पैसा या 10 पैसा
ये 10 पैसा
उनको कोइन
भिडियो गेममा यस्ता चल्ल्या
स्कैम 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 अद्दाको लागि
तू क्या मेरा फोटो निकाल्नु लगाएछ
स्कैम यही हो वीडियो गेम तो ये जमाना में जमाना का स्कैमर
यो त गाह्रो हो
coins those days were lighter
ब्याग रहेछन्
so it's so light and the new generation coin is way heavier. These are feels like plastic, very light. All of this. So this is heavy. This is heavy.
यो हेर न यो कस्तो भयो
आधा पैसा हो हामी लेख्याला त्यो आधा पैसा नि
This is
एक 1/3
this is from 1980, I think, or maybe before
जॉर्ज
that. This I think is the oldest coin, 1943. Yo, 1969. I think
63
63. So
62
यही हो हब्बे ना पुरानो त 1943. I don't know if ಇದೊಂದು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು
ಅದೇ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಮೇನು
ಇದೊಂದು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾನು ಒಂದು 20 ನಾನು ಮುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಅವಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬಾರಿ
ಅದು ಇದೇ ಮಡಗಿರೋದು ನಾನು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಉಂಗುರ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ
ಉಂಗ್ರಗ
ಹಾಂ ಈ ತಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಪೈಸೆಗೆ ಅಂಗಠಿ बनायो यति रावडा हुनुहुन्छ नि
ಉಂಗ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾನು ಮುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಆದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ಗಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. The old man you saw right now, he is my mom's mama. He has some crazy collections of coins. My mom also used to have those, but I think she doesn't have coins as old as his coins. So finally some breeze. Yes, hello. I swear. So down the road is where we are going. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is where we are going to fish. There you see the coins. We here, and this is where apparently we are going to fish. I don't think so I'm going to eat that fish from here. I'm excited, but at the same time I'm not going to do anything today since it's my first day, so I'm just going to watch them. Probably I might give it a try, but I don't think so I'm going to eat the fish that we caught from here, so no chance. That's the gang that's here to fish. Oh, he's got one.
तार पाएन तार कहाँ भएन तार काट्दैछ रे
Let's go. Sensoi. And then you throw the bait there and wait. Just don't wait like this, it's pretty uncomfortable. You can sit down. He's got one more fish. He's 2. He's 0. 3, 0. I think it's high time I consider changing team. Let's see his strategy. Okay, he's throwing in the bait. and he's waiting. Okay, it's eating. Oh, missed it. As soon as I shifted to his party, he didn't get any fish. Meanwhile, that man right there is still not getting any fish. Oh my god, one more. Oh, that's his weight. Ah, finally. Finally.
Huh?
Oh, ma kasam. Whoa. Whoa. One more ass. Oh. Moe. Mr. Zensoy, how many fish did you catch?
Not that much, but I think 25 around.
He means 25 he missed, guys. He means 25 he missed. Okay, with this we are signing off here. I will see you on the other side. We got done with fishing. We came back. We freshened up. Did our next video. So next video, whatever is going to come, it's going to be amazing. So stay tuned. And with this, I'm going to end the vlog for today. Hope you all like the vlog and you all like the adventure we did. And we will see you guys soon.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, you guys
Peace out.
like, comment and subscribe.